Welcome to my channel. I got right here a compass. It comes from Temu and I give $2 for it. And there it is. Pretty decent looking compass. I know that. I like it. I've been playing with it. As you can tell, it's got the American Fine Glass right there. It's got your other measurements on both sides to help you read your map. It's got a part right here for your lanyard, which is right here is what I put on it because it had this little cheapy thing with it, and I took it off. I was like, no, I'm not using that. So right here be a little long, but I can fix that when it's time to put it on it. Let's check this bad boy out. And look, right there's other measurements. You got your map measurements or whatever them measurements there are for. Anybody knows, let me know in the comments, because I'm new with stuff like this. I'm just learning. I wish I could take some compass classes because I really need it. I mean, I can use a compass. I won't get lost. So I guess that's all that matters, right? I know to point it, and wherever I point it to is the way that I need to go. And then when I get to where I'm going, I know to stop and put something around the tree to remind me that I've been there. And then I can take this the other way. I know I can use this to get to line to line to where I'm going, or place to place, either way. But yeah, just let me know what you think about this, and if you have any better ideas on any other compasses, just let me know. I got 3 or 4.